Meaning of elevenses.
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 Elevenses. Elevenses is a British term that refers to a light snack or break taken around 11 a.m., typically accompanied by tea or coffee. It is similar to the concept of morning tea or coffee break in other cultures. The term originated from the belief that this mid-morning break was necessary to provide a boost of energy and prevent hunger until lunchtime. Elevenses can consist of sweet or savory items such as scones, biscuits, fruit, or cheese. It is a popular tradition in many workplaces and households throughout Britain.